Hello guys, this is it. This video is the update of my custom slide solver with subsolver inside Houdini. It is really easy for someone who knows mathematics and really difficult for the others. Let me dive inside the solver sub, and consists of several attribute wrangles. One of them is for a slide formula, and the other makes the age attribute and killing the points based on the age attribute, and the other one creates, it is really simple, it creates ID, randomized ID for each point, and it works on any shape and deformed shape or any shapes. As you can see, let me change this switch parameter. This is the peak head. As you can see, it works really beautifully and correct. And this is the sphere, and this is it.